Discover the incredible story of how one small country became a global data center hub, playing a critical role in powering 15% of Nvidia's revenues. While tech giants like Silicon Valley and Beijing typically come to mind when thinking of technology centers, a recent SEC filing exposed a hidden gem: Singapore. This tiny island nation, known for its tropical paradise, has transformed into a high-tech powerhouse. Despite its small land area, Singapore accounted for an astonishing 15% of Nvidia's quarterly revenues, totaling $2.7 billion. So how did this underdog rise to become such a force in the global tech landscape? To understand the present, we must look to Singapore's history as a major trading post dating back to the 19th century. Positioned strategically between important shipping lanes, Singapore flourished as a free port. This led to immense wealth, attracting business-minded individuals from all over Asia. As a result, Singapore became a diverse and cosmopolitan society, with English as a common language. These favorable conditions set the stage for Singapore's push into technology and finance in the 1990s and 2000s. The country's pro-business policies, low corruption, skilled workforce, and global connectivity attracted major international companies. Singapore became a hub for technology and finance, paving the way for its future success. As cloud computing and big data gained momentum in the early 2010s, Singapore positioned itself as an ideal location for strategic data centers. Its tropical climate provided natural cooling advantages, while reliable utilities and high-speed broadband infrastructure further solidified its appeal. The government actively promoted the development of data centers, offering tax incentives and streamlining project timelines. Global giants like Google, Facebook, and Alibaba recognized the value of Singapore as a data center hub and established a presence in the country. By the late 2010s, over 70 operational data centers were located in Singapore, with more in the pipeline. In fact, Singapore currently houses over 60% of Southeast Asia's total data center capacity. Singapore's focus on digitalization and reliable infrastructure positioned it as a vital technology infrastructure hub, supporting the broader regional economy. Major cloud service providers depended on Singapore data centers to handle mission-critical workloads. Consumer internet companies relied on the country's infrastructure for artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, and online gaming, benefiting from low-latency access to Southeast Asian users. Singapore data centers played a crucial role in powering emerging technologies like autonomous vehicles and smart factories. Nvidia's booming sales demonstrated the significance of Singapore's strategic positioning as a preferred data center destination. As data center workloads multiplied globally, Singapore customers drove 15% of Nvidia's entire quarterly top line, amounting to $2.7 billion. The presence of a certain consumer internet company and the infrastructure build-outs by cloud service providers and data center operators contributed to this success. The future looks bright for Singapore's tech ascendancy. With the imminent deployment of 5G, expansions in IoT, and advancements in AI, the demand for hyperlocal computing requirements will continue to rise. Singapore aims to streamline approvals and incentivize new data center facilities, expanding its footprint into neighboring Malaysian and Indonesian industrial parks. The country also plans to develop local semiconductor design capabilities, reinforcing its technology self-sufficiency. With its highly skilled workforce, reliable utilities, and pro-business policies, Singapore is poised to attract more strategic technology investments. Its success serves as a testament to how smaller nations can thrive globally by strategically developing specialized clusters to meet broader market needs.